Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is your special pathology practical and today's topic is chronic cholecystitis and biliary calculi. The chronic cholecystitis, as you all know, is the chronic inflammation of the gallbladder. Most commonly it is associated with cholelithiasis, that is gallstones, or some of the time some microorganisms may be involved such as E. coli and enterococci. The gross features of the chronic cholecystitis, they are variable. Sometimes the serosa is smooth and glistening, that is shiny, or sometimes it becomes dull due to the presence of subserosal fibrosis, and the wall of the gallbladder is thickened and it appears as opaque and grey white. Its lumen contains bile and gallstones. When we look at the microscopic features, there is subepithelial and subserosal fibrosis with the infiltration of mononuclear cells. The characteristic of chronic cholecystitis is Rokitansky ash of sinuses. These are actually the outpouchings of mucosa through the muscular wall. There is also reactive proliferation of mucosa and fusion of mucosal folds, which may give rise to buried crypts of epithelium within the wall of the gallbladder. This is the histological diagram of chronic cholecystitis. In this picture you can see Rokitansky ash of sinuses, and also there are bands of fibrosis, chronic inflammatory cells, and the serosa has become thickened. Moving on, the next up is biliary calculi. Biliary calculi, that are gallstones. They are broadly classified into two types. Number one is pure gallstones and the other type is mixed gallstones. Pure gallstones are further subdivided into three types. First of all, cholesterol stones. They are solitary, oval, large and yellow or white in color. Their cut surface shows radiating or glistening crystals. The bile pigment stones, they are multiple in number, small sized, and they are jet black in color. The cut section shows they are soft and black. And lastly, the calcium carbonate stones, they are multiple, small sized and grey white in color. Upon cut section, they appear to be hard. Here it is the picture of the gallstones, the pure type of gallstones. You can see the cholesterol, pigmented and calcium carbonate stones. The mixed gallstones, they constitute 80% of the cases of gallstones. The mixed gallstones have cholesterol, bile pigment and calcium carbonate in different proportions. Upon gross picture, they show multifaceted and variable sized gallstones, and their cut section shows laminated and alternating dark pigment layer and pale white layer. Here it is the picture of cholesterol stones. You can see yellow colored stones which are round in shape, and in this picture you can see pigmented stones which are jet black in color. Lastly, a few clinical complications of gallstones, which are biliary colic, obstruction, infection and mucocele of the gallbladder. That will be all for your today's practical. Now you all are required to draw this histological diagram into your practical copies and submit it along with your names and roll numbers so that your attendance could be marked. Thank you.